Welcome to DRx. Setting up a strip packing machine. First, we'll go ahead and pull up our patient. And we'll need to add the items to be packaged onto their sync list. So I'll highlight everything on this patient's profile and I'll click sync. And these are the items we're going to want in the pack. Now I'll go ahead and click on the patient's information with this pen and paper icon here. And we'll mark them as a packer. And now we'll have to add a facility. The name of the facility is arbitrary. You can go ahead and name it after your machine. It might be Parata or other type of packing machine. We'll add the facility. And now we'll tell DRx what type of machine we'll be using to pack this. Go ahead and click on the pen and paper icon next to the facility name. And click on MAR template. And you'll see there's many options here. We're going to want to pick custom dosing. It's your Rapidpak, your Parata Pass, etc. This is all you'll need for now. Go ahead and click Save. Just like our regular sync patients and our other adherence packaging patients, we'll also want to pick a date. From the patient's sync list, we'll go ahead and click on Pack Location, and we'll see a prompt now to add a new administration time. Go ahead and name this. For 9 a.m., we'll say 0900 a.m., and we'll want to tell the machine how many pills are going in. Say 1. For our next drug, we could have it in the same pocket as the first, entering the same details. And we can also have this medication be given twice a day. Use. Our names can be completely arbitrary. Once we've set our patient up and we've picked satisfactory pack locations, to export this to the machine to be packed, we'll click on the Export button. You'll pick the start and end date. DRx will come up with a default start and end date, considering the sync date set for the patient and the interval set for the patient. But you can always change these. And click on the integration and pick the type of packer that you have. For instance, Parata ATP or Fastpak. Go ahead and click Export. Depending on your integration, this may go directly to the machine, or you may need to drag and drop this file to your machine.